Get excited about the 2015 Ford Transit 350. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, variably intermittent wipers, front bucket seats, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.